it's Alana here, and in today's video I'm going to be drawing an Instagram makeup artist. My username on Instagram is @AlanaClaire. I'll put it here so you can see. Sometimes YouTube is naughty and doesn't notify people if I've posted a video. So on Instagram you'll be able to see if I've posted or not. I'll do a story like each time I post, so you'll be able to see. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please leave thumbs up, feel free to share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe. So let's get right into it. I actually found Alina by using the browse feature on Instagram, which I don't normally use. I just had a little browse one day and thought, hey, I'll see what people on Instagram are up to. And I saw this beautiful picture and I was like, wow, that's really cool. As you can see, the paper is actually grey. It's not white like a usual sketch pad would be. For some reason, when I use a toned sketch pad for my drawings, they seem to have more dimension. I think what I was drawn to initially was the beautiful colour of the wig, which is a gorgeous teal, and also the contrasting flowers, which are like a purpley pink colour. I actually realised I do not have a pencil colour, the right colour for the wig. The closest one that I had was actually a Crayola pencil. Crayola, as you know, they're not as good as Prismacolors. To be honest, Crayola pencils, they're exceptional for the price. The way that they apply on the paper is just really smooth. So yeah, as I was saying, I didn't actually have the colour for the wig. So the way I got around this was I used the closest colour that I could find, which was of course the Crayola pencil colour. And I think it was in the shade teal. I might be wrong. I'll put the name on the screen so that you can see what it is. Like, I'll check it in the morning. It's quite late at night here. It's like the quietest time I can do my audio. So yeah, I chose that colour, and also I used a Faber-Castell blue, which I went over them. Together they made a kind of similar shade to the wig, but it's also a lot more bright. Really loved that the hair was curly too, especially after previously painting Starry Night by Vincent, which has a lot of swirls in it. I liked seeing the same kind of angles in the curls in the hair as I did in Starry Night, like the same kind of patterns. I don't know. To me it seemed kind of continuous in a satisfying way, even though they're totally different images. I don't know, I just like the mathematical patterns of swirls. Like, I really enjoy them, and that is probably the nerdiest thing that I've ever said on YouTube. Wow. I apologise. So normally after I've done a really big painting or a drawing, I kind of like to go back to my sketch pad and just do a smaller, like less involved artwork. However, saying that, like, I actually found myself putting a lot of work into this drawing. I've spent a lot of hours on it, like a lot. I tried to make the hair really detailed, and also I added a lot of detail to the flowers, and it did take me a long time. But still, I feel like it was a nice bit of variety after doing a big oil painting. Like, oil paint is just so smelly and messy. And then when I get back to my pencils, I just think, this is so good. Pencil colours are just such a relief after an oil painting. Like, I've got them pencil sharpeners that you can sharpen into and it all collects in the pot. There's minimal mess, it's just perfect. And especially after creating a huge messy oil painting, you're like, yes, I'm never going back to oils. Yeah, I always do go back to oils, I always do. I love exaggerating colours when I draw. I love kind of enhancing them and just really going all out with the colours. When I work from photographs, I like to really see all the colours that I can in the skin. I love to kind of pick out the tones and the colours and make them work somehow. There's so many colours that you wouldn't even imagine in skin, like pinks, oranges, yellows, even purples. I don't know, it's just amazing. So yeah, I like to kind of put them all down if I can. And it's something that I get so much satisfaction of as well in creating an artwork, is when I can use my eyes to look at something and then I can create the colour that I see with my paints, or like exaggerate it or whatever I want to do, and then put it down on paper. Like, it's so satisfying to me. So earlier today I actually got some art supplies. I think my next artwork I might be using some of the things that I got in the art supply haul that I filmed. But I'm not even sure if I can upload the haul because, oh my gosh, my stomach was rumbling so much when I was filming and I just seemed really moody, and I probably was because I was really hungry. So I'm not sure, I might have to film that again. But yeah, I got some nice art supplies. So I think what I'll do is I'll post this drawing on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me already on Instagram, please do, because I'd love to connect with you on there. And it's always nice to kind of see people from YouTube on my Instagram, like it's really sweet. So it'd be really cool if you could follow me on there, because sometimes YouTube, as I said earlier in the video, like sometimes YouTube doesn't actually notify people that I've posted. On Instagram what I'll do is I'll post stories so that if you don't see on YouTube that I've posted, then that'll be another way that you can see if I've posted. So yeah, I'll post this photo of Alina and hopefully she'll see it. Maybe you can help me out by tagging her in the post, that'd be really cool. Like, it'd be so awesome if she saw it, and I hope she likes it if she does see it. So yeah, I really enjoyed creating this drawing and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please do leave me a comment and let me know if you'd like more like this. It's quite different to my usual. I really enjoyed it actually. I found it really fun and I think it's going to be like a nice relaxing video for you all, so hopefully you kind of get that vibe. Okay, so now I've added all these beautiful colours into the skin and I've done this tail wig and flowers, so let's do some lovely close-ups of the final piece. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do thumbs it up and feel free to share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, ran out of things to say. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all very soon. Thank you. I'm being so weird, I'm sorry. Bye!